Hello and welcome to the Elevate podcast. I'm your host, Patricia Nowakowski. I am a salon owner, educator, mindset, and leadership coach that helps salon owners go from overwhelmed and burnt out to motivated and empowered. It is my mission to help you systemize your business, generate more profit, and create a career that you are absolutely in love with. Join us every week to learn about the small shifts you can make to elevate your business regarding mindset, marketing, social media, business systems, and so much more. Welcome back to the Elevate podcast. I'm so glad you're tuning in today. If you're a salon owner, manager, or someone passionate about building a strong, effective team, today's episode is going to be a game changer. We're diving deep into how you can create a leadership training program for your stylists, one that prepares them for bigger roles within your salon and sets a foundation for developing future leaders. Creating a leadership program isn't just about teaching management skills. It's about fostering a culture of growth, having a solid growth plan, which you know is important to retain team members. It's about creating collaboration and excellence, all while empowering your team to take ownership of their development. By the end of today's episode, you'll be able to have a clear roadmap on how to start building your very own leadership program. So let's jump in. First, I want to say if you are somebody who wants to create a leadership program and wants more of a solid foundation, you should definitely check out the Salon Owner's Blueprint. The Salon Owner's Blueprint literally has over 100 resources for you to utilize, including creating a solid growth plan, leadership training ideas, and all of the things you need to run a successful business. So why is leadership training so important for your salon? I want you to think about your salon team for a moment. You've probably got talented stylists at various levels, newer stylists, mid-level, experienced, and maybe even some senior stylists. But as your business grows, those stylists are going to need more than just technical skills. They'll need leadership skills to support your vision, mentor new stylists, help with salon operations, and keep the overall culture thriving. When you invest in leadership training, you're creating a team that's aligned with your values, capable of handling responsibility, which we all need, and ready to step into bigger roles. This will reduce turnover, boost morale, and most importantly, ensure your salon's long-term success. Are you ready to take your salon to the next level without all the guesswork? I'm excited to introduce the launch of the Salon Owner Blueprint, the ultimate program designed to help you build, grow, and sustain a thriving salon. Whether you're just starting out or looking to fine-tune your existing business, this comprehensive blueprint covers everything you need for success, from creating a solid business structure to mastering your marketing and streamlining your hiring process, to building client loyalty, improving team earning potential, and managing operations seamlessly. The Salon Owner Blueprint literally has it all. If you're ready to stop putting out fires and to start running your salon with confidence and clarity, then the Salon Owner Blueprint is for you. Enroll today by clicking the link in the show notes or heading to www.opulentbeautypro.com/blueprint. It's time to create a salon you're proud of and to start building the business of your dreams. So let's get into what a leadership training can look like. First things first, core leadership skills. Your stylists need to understand what it means to be a leader. Your top performers need to know how to lead by example. As a leader, your actions speak louder than your words. Stylists need to learn how to lead by example. Your team needs to know how to solve problems, and leaders more so than ever. Leaders often face challenges that require quick thinking and problem solving, so help your team build the confidence to make decisions. So the next thing is your leaders need to have and understand salon-specific knowledge. It's not enough to just know how to be a good leader. You also need to understand the unique environment of your team and the environment that your team is working in. If you do not have an operations manual in your business, you are doing it wrong. Your team will not know how to do things in your business unless you tell them. So if you do not have an operations manual, you need to get the Salon Owner's Blueprint. We have a very in-depth and detailed operations manual that you can take, customize, and curate to really have it fit your business. It makes having an operations manual so much easier, especially if you're a busy salon owner who doesn't have time. You need an operations manual. And last but not least, your leadership needs to live and breathe your salon culture and values. Every salon has its own unique culture, and it's important for your stylist to understand your culture and how to uphold it. The last step in your program is one of the most critical, and that's developing the right leadership mindset. Leadership isn't just a set of skills. It's about the attitude and perspective that leaders bring to their role. Now, curating a leadership training program for your stylist might sound like a big undertaking, but trust me, it's worth the investment. It's worth investing in your team. This is going to help you retain team members. It's going to help grow your team at a rapid rate, and it's going to take the pressure off of you as the owner to do all of the training, guiding, and mentoring. When you build a strong foundation for your team's leadership skills, you're not just preparing them for bigger roles, you're setting up the salon for long-term success. By focusing on core leadership skills, salon-specific knowledge, mentorship, and leadership mindset, you're creating a team of leaders who can take your salon to new heights. And who knows, one of those stylists might become the next salon manager, creative director, or even future partner in your business. You need to have roles in your business. If you don't know what that looks like, I highly recommend checking out the Salon Owner Blueprint, where we have everything laid out for you. So if you're ready to start building your leadership program, I encourage you to break it down into those 4 key steps. Start empowering your team today. And that's all for today's episode. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share this episode with other salon managers and salon owners who could benefit from these leadership tips. And as always, keep growing, keep leading, and keep elevating your salon business. Thanks for tuning in to the Elevate podcast. If you loved this episode, it would mean the world to me if you would leave a review on Apple Podcast or wherever you listen. The Elevate podcast is hosted by me, Patricia Nowakowski, and is produced by Opulent Beauty Pro. To receive my free business guides, visit opulentbeautypro.com/free or click the link in the show notes. You can find me on Instagram at Opulent Beauty Pro or at Patricia_Nowakowski_OBS. If you love this show, please consider subscribing, and we will see you next week.